has Camilla. So yeah, we're going out to dinner and have some we time as a couple. We haven't been on a date night in a while without Camilla.
Ever, actually.
Not that it's a problem.
Ever.
I mean,
we've never been on a date without her.
Yeah, we love to go out with her, but it's always nice to just go out, the two of us, and just have some quality time. So that's what this video is about, and we are going to take you guys along. So shall we? Okay, so first stop is taking my pictures. You know what time it is, and I'm trying to be super cute because I'm wearing, seriously, I don't know how girls do it when they wear makeup and wear white. I'm struggling. This is me. I look like a hen with my head like this because I don't want to stay in the coat. But whew, Joey, I need a compliment. Is the sun hitting right?
It's hitting what it needs to.
The sun understood the assignment?
Yeah, it did.
I don't know what to actually. Crab meat fried rice. Oh,
What?
crab meat fried rice.
Where's that?
Right here. It's interesting. Crispy basil. I guess the description's online, right?
Yeah, although the
What's it? Oh.
updated pricing.
So we came to a Thai restaurant. We're ready to grub. I really love Thai food. And this restaurant is in the neighborhood, so it should be good. It's one of those that you least expect to be good, but it turns out to be good. So I'm excited to grab. Thank you. You guys, if you are feeding a DC crowd, you have to come with guns blazing. Right, Joey? You really have to, because we are a tough crowd. Like, we are tough critics. Terrible. I mean, first of all, let me show you. I need to show you something. I have a huge problem, right? When you give me a plate of food and it's just a mountain of food, like why is there a lot of portion? Why? Let me show you. Just look at this. This is a lot. Like, this thing was a pile. It was like just look. Joey over here is just like,
shrimp.
let's
like,
just
look
go.
at the shrimp. They're like barely. There's like no. They're like soggy, and yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
The only thing that was hitting with it was the bubble tea. That's
about
it.
But it's gone now.
It's almost gone, but everything else, yeah, I don't even need a to-go box. You guys, that was really,
It was so bad.
really bad.
It was so bad.
That
It was so bad.
Terrible food. Terrible.
I should have flushed $60 down the toilet.
It was $60 down the drain for.
Couldn't even finish it.
First of all, those spring rolls. So Joey recently went to Safeway and he got frozen spring rolls. Just
From the
wants to try
grocery
it
store.
out.
From a chain
From
grocery
the
store.
grocery
Not
store.
even.
Those spring rolls are way better than
And,
the spring
you
rolls.
know
we have at
the brand is like Signature Select. It's not even like.
It's not even a fancy brand.
It's not even a fancy brand from from an international market or anything. Like it's just some like store brand.
We've had some bomb-ass Thai food in DC, but this right here, it was terrible. It was so bad that we're looking for redemption right
Montgomery
now.
County deserves better than that.
Yeah, it really does. It was so bad. It was just, ugh. And then they were like, can we give you boxes to go?
No, I'm good.
No, we're
Give it to the
good.
rats.
Give it to the rats. They will be glad.
No, I don't even think they would eat it. They'd be like, nah, I'm good. I'm going back to DC.
I've had better. It was so bad. Oh my gosh. So now we have, let's just go get chopped. Let's go get salads.
No, I can't eat a salad.
I don't gonna eat, but I could use a salad. I wouldn't be mad.
Where is Chopped? I can go get you a salad from Chopped. I'm all that place did was just destroy my appetite.
I know,
so
like right now I'm just
I'm
like,
you're
done for the day?
I don't know if I can. I mean, maybe we can make some spring rolls at the house for a redemption, but it just killed my appetite.
Even the spring rolls I make at home from scratch are way better than that.
It was like in mine, the pad thai, the whole meal had too much liquid in it. It was very oily and soggy.
The spring rolls, the filling in the spring rolls, first of all, it tasted like an egg roll, and then it wasn't seasoned. I was like, why are these veggies? It felt like someone put the veggies in hot water and then stuffed them in the roll. It was terrible. It was terrible.
Yeah.
I hate going to a restaurant and having terrible food. It's the worst. And this restaurant is rated 4.5 stars. What? Why?
I don't know how they got that.
How?
I don't know how they got that.
Let me sip my bubble tea and just be quiet. Keep my opinions to myself.
And to think about it, Ekiben is 5. That's 4.5? How does that work? No.
A whole mattress in the middle of the street.
A whole mattress.
Yeah, I mean, Joey and I are foodies. I mean, we critique the hell out of restaurants because
we do.
We eat out a lot and we know good food when we try it. And this was nothing. This was bad. This was like, Gordon Ramsay would be pissed. Right?
He would. He'd throw up.
He would. He'll be like, why do I have a pile of rice on my plate?
Honestly, the thing
that was a lot of rice.
You know what we should have done? The first red flag, and we should have done it, and we didn't do it. But they had they had too much on the menu. They had too much on the menu.
The menu reminded me of a Cheesecake Factory. Their menu had their dinner menu had like 40 options. 40. Why? 40 options. That's just dinner.
Yeah.
That was the first red flag. You're right. Honest, and we always say this every time we go to a restaurant and it has so many options to choose from that you actually need to tell the waiter, give me 10 minutes to go through the menu. That's when you run, because it's like, why'd you have so many options? Who's cooking all this food?
Yeah.
It's a lot.
And the fact how fast it took to come out.
Yes.
It's like, that was too fast.
I think we were at that restaurant for 30 minutes, no?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And we got our bubble tea, we got an entree, and we got appetizers. And it all came out in 30 minutes. Usually, if you were at a different restaurant, right now is when you'd be getting probably appetizer.
We totally messed it all up.
I know, we're so
sorry,
mad.
Babe. I'm really sorry.
That's okay. We got bubble tea, and that's just that. We tried, and now we know never to go there.
I guess so.
Anyways, guys, that was eventful, wasn't it?
For sure.
Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with us on this terrible adventure at this restaurant. You live and you learn, huh? Wow, look at the sun. Do you guys see the sunset in the back? It's so gorgeous. It's like a fiery sky. It's so beautiful. Anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I will